Dream big. Align your passion and purpose in life with a goal. If you focus on the goal, you will overcome all obstacles. If you focus on obstacles, you will never reach your goal.
Over the last 40 years, I have been very fortunate to lead Reliance. This evening, I want to share with you the most important lessons I have learned from my father during this phenomenal journey. The first lesson is courage, and I have seen it in a whole lot of you. Nobody has ever achieved anything big in business or in any walk of life without courage. Of course, whenever you do anything big, you do feel a little scared, but you've got to conquer fear to discover the hidden hero within you. With courage, with self-belief and the can-do spirit, you overcome any adversity. साहस एक ऐसी ताकत है जिससे डर को भी डर लगता है. Therefore, I want today's young leaders to realize that achieving your potential is the quest of the ordinary. Conquering the impossible is your destiny. The second lesson I have learned is feel empathy. Empathy means caring and sharing with every human being in our organization and the world at large. The more we care, the higher we grow as human beings. I understand empathy as dil ki daulat. It is the wealth of your heart. The more you spend it on others, the more wealthy you become. The third lesson I have learned is
there is no substitute to hard work. Even more important, to pursue excellence. Aim at being the best, not just the best in India, but the best in the world. Pursue excellence and success will chase you.
the fourth lesson I have learned is something I call Dil Ka Rishta. Like my father, I value trust, loyalty, and a direct heart-to-heart relationship. As we enter Reliance's golden decade, I want to commend these learnings to the next generation. The future belongs to you. Today, you have a fabulous platform that will enable you to achieve multiples of what has been achieved by my generation. I have learned is to have absolute faith in technology and talent.
It is very important to be positive and optimistic in life. Dismiss the prophets of doom. Have self-confidence. Believe in yourself. And above all, believe in India. Because this country gives every Indian the opportunity to realize his dreams. And I think the best of India is yet to come.
In every business we have started, we have always embraced the latest technology and have attracted the best talent. When top technology and talent work together, they produce unbeatable creativity, innovation, and invention.
You take our own example. My father started Reliance with $100. When I joined Reliance in 1980, market value of Reliance was $30 or $40 million. And in 30 years, the opportunities that were provided by this country has enabled us to create wealth for India. I really have my father as my role model, and he started off with nothing. And one of the things that he said to me is that you really don't know, Mukesh, what it is to be poor. Reliance raised all its money from capital markets and from individual small shareholders. So we've created 1 million millionaires just by investing in Reliance out of ordinary Indians. And that is the process of creating wealth for the country. Once you create opportunity, wealth comes. And make sure that you maintain everybody's self-respect. So when you give, people hold their hand on this basis. Don't give on that basis, right? When you give, and if people hold their hand like this, that means they bless you. That's the way to give. And in a certain sense, some amount of anonymous giving or doing things that change societies, doing things that leave a lasting impact. And even if it be creation of businesses, creation of jobs, right? Creation of sustainable institutions that last beyond you is the best way that you can contribute to India. My father was a big believer that any business that has the sole purpose of making money is not worth doing, right? Business must serve a larger societal purpose.
Friends, today Reliance is a global leader in energy and materials where operating safely is an obsession. And with Jio and retail, where we have established leadership position in India, we are customer obsessed. As we enter our golden decade, we at Reliance are in a unique position to accomplish what very few companies in the world can even dream of. And I have no doubt that the next generation of Reliance will make it a reality. और मेरे साथ confidence से बोलिए कि yes, we can and we will. Everything I am today is because of Reliance. Everything I know today is thanks to Reliance. My Reliance family, looking at the sea of lights in front of me and looking at your energy, optimism and self-confidence, I am assured that the future of Reliance is in good hands. And this institution that we love and cherish will rise to even greater heights in the decades to come. I am thankful to each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for your hard work, commitment and dedication to the mission of Reliance. It is because of each one of you that we are who we are today. I wish and I pray, may good luck and fortune shine on each and every one of you and on Reliance. And may every day be even more fulfilling and rewarding for all of us. In wishing you and your families all the very best, good luck, God bless, and thank you very much for everything.